guys, so I forgot my AirPods. So we are back and we're at Jared's jewelry store. And today we have to see if baby can get the upgrade for her ring. Hey baby, you ready? Well, I don't know if you have to sit anywhere you like today, but if not, we'll keep looking. But hopefully we'll find something. So, how you feeling?
Excited. I can't wait.
Alright, I'm gonna show her around the store and see what's on. Hopefully everything goes well. I'm excited too. Alright guys.
Thank you for shopping with us.
Today we're sitting over weight and lots to choose from. I'll show you so. Let's see the diamonds them. I'm showing the carat weight, everything. Very nice. Love it. We love rose gold, everything, but right now she lean probably towards white gold or yellow gold because them have a lot more variety in that. So maybe she change it. However, me still love mine. Be very simple guys, so me not mind, like with mine just a simple bun like this part by itself. Me alright with it, seriously. But baby's like a little bit of diamonds. I'm like alright. I to the vlog. Alright, so this is the upgrade. A good choice, baby. It's amazing. Very pretty. From rose to white.
Alright, I'll need your signature.
Oh my god, guys, so look here. I have to clean my ring and you know say it come like it could have come off. Never take it from baby band. It is here, out popping and ready. Are you feeling this? Engage first. Oh, and then this have a little curve. Make sure I get it the right way. Yes, this way. Oh, and this are two-party, guys. Them never have the other band in the store, so we have to order it. So it's supposed to reach in a week or so. Figure out by top part. Looking good, man. I love you. I love you. Nice. I love it. Pretty. Baby, icy. Ice. Frosted. Yes, look at this.
Enjoy the rest of the day. I'll see you guys soon.
Alright.
I'll see you guys later.
Woo. Hey, babe.
Hey, baby.
Oh.
See me. You see me. It's so beautiful. It's so sparkly.
Yes. Very beautiful, baby. Fit you.
You see the diamonds right here on the side.
Yes. And that's the rose gold part.
Rose gold part. Yes.
Always representing anyone.
Okay. So crazy.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Alright guys, so baby get her ring. Good for you, no on! It's bright out so now. You can probably hear me a little better, yes? How do you feel about your new diamonds?
I love it. 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 See me covering it up. I love it. I love it.
You're covering it up. Oh.
It's nice and long. It's bad.
It looks really good.
What do you think, guys? She did a good job. Did she do a good job?
It looks really good. I love it. And the other part feet now commit. Dum dum dum.
Double trouble.
Double trouble. Alright guys, just want to say thank you so much for watching. Do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Get it from Jared, guys.
Get it from Jared, guys. So we at Bahama Breeze and we are getting lunch. You know, after all of that, I am hungry. A box left right and center. Nice little outdoor setting. It's nice.
I do love it. Like this ring is bigger than the other one. Like a 7.
Like how you're under for my Oma.
Hey Tammy, you know why this place is my favorite?
Why?
Oh, you just said you didn't like it. Now it's your favorite. Put your mask somewhere in your pocket.
Because of this. Because of this one. They got this instead of the other ones. Instead of those big other knives that like had a black stick on this and it was a lot sharper and didn't have these on it. So this one's a lot. I like butter knives.
Different menus are different.
Yeah, I know.
What it sounds like.
Have like over 100 items apparently, and it's COVID and everything, but like maxed out.
So baby, I order now, guys. Well, on the you know say. Normally, I may take long to order, you know, because when me and the condition menu, I say I analyze everything. You see what I say? But because we come here so a lot, so I exactly know what to get, what not to get, how I want. I feel for the tropical salad. That is really good. I love it. And a long time I eat salad. Like, I need to get into more greens and vegetable and fruits in my diet. So yeah, it's really good here. So if you come to Bahama Breeze, guys, definitely try them salad. It is K1. Baby, we want to try?
I am trying the jerk chicken with the menu has changed.
Yes.
So I don't want to get the but it needs to come with the salad.
Yes. I don't know much about salad. Let's start your day with some ice cold water. Ooh, with a little lime. Perfect. Red stripe for me, icy cold, and rum runner for my baby. You know we love rum runner. Me always love rum runner. But you know, let's say me try something different, yeah. It's a hot day, you know? Yeah. And I know every restaurant have this, and this one had it, so why not?
Wait, where's the
Wow. I mean, cheese enough all the way. They had Baby got her jerk inside your chicken sandwich. And I got my tropical chicken salad. Yes, guys, I tell you, say, you come to Bahama Breeze, this is a must. Everything fresh, chicken look juicy. Strawberry grape, pineapple, lettuce, and a little sweet sauce right there. So, yeah. now the ultimate pineapple. Yes. Full of liquor. Now looking at a picture of later. Get the straw, you know, yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. Guys, so as you can see, Daisy really love her ring. What do you think about your mom new ring?
I really love it because it's diamond, and I've never seen her wear a diamond before.
She wear diamond before. Last
Well,
ring.
no, I will never. None that I've seen.
Her other ring was diamonds as well, but it was a chocolate diamond. But this, she really love it. Like
It's a color.
she really love it. She really love it. Like, yeah, look at her right now. She just had cheese up and everything. So we're happy about it. Great choice. Me didn't really want it to be a surprise, but I don't know if me go myself if mother pick out that one. You know, because she's very particular when it come on to them stuff there. So, you know, she really made that excellent decision. Like, me love that when we go in at the store, she see it and know say that the one she want. If she never see what she want, we think about maybe would I try the other stores them, or maybe should I have to order it online or stuff. But the first stop she see it and she said that is the one. Like, alright, man. Yeah, I'm happy about it, and she happy about it. She achieved up all day. I'm so happy with my baby. She coming now. She on her way, guys. Hi, mommy. Hey, babe. There, I thought about your ring and all. Yeah. That's it. I'm glad. The one you see, you like, you love it and everything. So I'm really happy about it. The first stop, and yeah, that was it.
It was a great experience to find other things and till you see the one, you know?
Yeah, the one.
Just like, you know, when you see all the one,
That is it, right? Got the blind no people. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Do remember to like, comment,